Also request Naveen sir and Madam Naveen Goswami to please distribute Yade 2015 to class 12B.
Good morning everyone. कहते हैं जैसे दिए के बिना बाती का कोई अस्तित्व नहीं होता, वैसे ही टीचर्स के बिना हम स्टूडेंट्स का लाइफ में कहीं स्टैंड कर पाना पॉसिबल नहीं होता। हम चाहे खुद को कितना ही टैलेंटेड और इंटेलिजेंट क्यों न मान ले, पर बिना टीचर्स की सपोर्ट और गाइडेंस के हम कुछ भी नहीं। टीचर्स प्ले डिफरेंट रोल्स इन आवर लाइफ, अ पेरेंट, अ फ्रेंड, एन आइडल, अ पार्टनर, एक साथी। तो अपने इस साथी के लिए आई वॉन्ट टू डेडिकेट अ सॉन्ग एंड आई होप द लिरिक्स विल एक्सप्रेस हाउ मच वी ऑल स्टूडेंट्स लव यू एंड व्हाट प्लेस यू हैव इन आवर लाइफ। साथी मेरे सपनों की तेरा मेरा ये साथ ऐसा लगे रे साथी जैसे दिया Sometimes you need to leave the sweetest things in your life way behind and move on. School is one of those sweetest things. जब फर्स्ट टाइम स्कूल में आए थे तब कलर नहीं आता था, और अब लास्ट टाइम आए आज भी कलर नहीं आता। This is the place where we've spent 14 years, years of laughter, friendship, jealous, where our teachers taught us the respect, the knowledge of life, where we all friends played together the game of true friendship, where we laughed at each other's joke, we cried at each other's sorrows. This is the place where we took participation in every sport, in every occasion. Teachers के मना करने के बावजूद भी. But these are the teachers who taught us like teachers, loved us like mothers. Even some teachers helped us so much that it would put them in trouble. These teachers are who who loved us like kids and shared our sorrows too, and stand by us and be our strength. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir, for being our strength. The journey of 14 years, though not simple as it थी, बहुत troubles आई और शायद कुछ troubles हमने खुद ही बुलाई. But there are some teachers, mentors, friends who showed us the correct path. Teachers जो कभी दोस्तों की तरह गप्पे लड़ाते, पापा की तरह डांट से प्यार दिखाते, मम्मी की तरह ऊपर से बहुत गुस्सा होने की एक्टिंग करते, पर अंदर ही अंदर हमसे बहुत सारा प्यार करते. स्कूल जहाँ किसी का हाथ टूटा, स्कूल जहाँ किसी का दिल टूटा, और स्कूल जहाँ हर दर्द की चौकस्टिक की दवाई है, यहाँ जहाँ पहला एरोप्लेन बनाना सीखा, और स्कूल जिसने ट्रुथ एंड डेयर का गेम सिखाया. अब स्कूल एक याद बनने को आया है, अब स्कूल खत्म होने को आया है. For us, school is not a building, playground or classrooms. For us, school is a feeling of love, feeling of education, feeling of life. 12th कब खत्म हुई पता ही नहीं चला, अभी तो आए हैं ऐसा लगा. अकाउंट्स में बैलेंस शीट मैच करने की कोशिश जारी रहेगी, इको में नेशनल इनकम का फॉर्म रहेगा. बिजनेस तो आती है, फिर भी मार्क्स ना आने की शर्त रहेगी. ज्योग्राफी वही पुरानी है और इंग्लिश तो अपने बचपन की साथी है. लाइफ का बहुत ही खूबसूरत फेज था हमारा. बहुत टाइम से वेट कर रहे थे कि कब फेयरवेल आएगा, कब हम फर्स्ट टाइम स्कूल लाइफ में साड़ी पहनेंगे. और आज जब ये दिन आ गया है, मन कर रहा है भाग के उस मोमेंट को पकड़ ले, वही क्लासरूम में बैठ के अकाउंट्स, इको, बीएससी पढ़े और लंच में दूसरों का लंच मांगे. पर ये चाह के भी नहीं हो सकता. जाने की खुशी है कि अब फाइनली परिंदों को पर मिलने वाले हैं, पर इस बार दुख थोड़ा ज़्यादा है. हमारी लाइफ का सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट ब्यूटीफुल फेज इज नाउ अबाउट टू एंड. हमें ये स्कूल याद रखेगा, यहाँ बताया हर पल याद रहेगा, हर खट्टी मीठी याद साथ लेके जाएंगे. पर हम इतनी जल्दी पीछा छोड़ने वाले नहीं, हर एलुमनाई डेट पे जरूर आएंगे. Standing here, the feeling is surprisingly very devastating, hideous if you will, to realize that all of these 14 years are gone and there's nothing we can do about it. I still can't come to terms with the fact that we won't be able to copy assignments and bunk classes anymore. At those times, I remember thinking to myself that it's going to be really, really hard to say goodbye, and it is. This is the beginning of the end. The objective of this speech is to share some of my experiences and memories which happened here and thank a few people without crying. We'll see how that goes. Firstly, thank you to respectable principal ma'am, vice principal ma'am and the honorable management for making our school what it is today. We all feel extremely privileged to be here. Okay, so teachers, you remember how many times we asked you to go to the music room to practice for that singing or that dancing competition? Yeah, they feel. Yeah, that one. It didn't exist. And I'm pretty sure you already know that we were at the canteen drinking coke and eating samosas and chatting with Raju. And on top of that, we annoyed you pretty much every day, listened to you and then ignored you, played pranks on you, and as for our mark sheets, well, the less said the better. Isn't it amazing, guys, that even after all of this and after managing their homes, they still managed to keep sane? You all truly deserve all the love and respect in the world. Thank you for all the support you've shown to us all this time, for lessons that extended well beyond the walls of our classrooms. And yes, I'm still going to call them our classrooms and our schools. Deal with it. Thank you for understanding and appreciating our non-academic passions and for everything else that I don't have enough time to mention. It would take a lifetime. Friends, I don't know how or where to begin. All that is coming to my mind right now is a massive hug to all of you, and thank you for staying with me through thick and thin, for being my shoulders to cry on, for showing me the silver lining, always. have extremely ridiculously poor pages and for blindly writing my name under group assignments that I will participate in. Thank you to the class of 2015 and everyone who helped us get here. And also to our custodial staff because, well, nobody better than them knows what Snobs Museum. To put into words what this school means to me isn't humanly possible. And if in the future time travel becomes possible, this is the first place I'm coming back to. I'm sure everyone will agree with me when I say this, that we'll leave this place with a heavy heart. And just this thought makes me realize that I'm not ready to let go. Not yet. Thank you.
Now we would request our principal ma'am to chant our blessing and take you.
A very good afternoon to all the beloved students and all our teachers. Can we have silence, please? And all this while, this blessing ceremony has been for all of us. And it is expected that whosoever is speaking here on the stage, we must respect that. The students have said so much. They have said so many things for 14 years of journey. Everybody has said the teachers have given us so much, so much, so much. I would say that you all have given us, the teachers and myself, so much. Thank you all very much. It is you who teach us. And we are here, we say that we are experienced. I think it is you who make us experience. We learn every day from you all. And every day is a new day for every one of us. And every one of us is a young lady and a young man. Isn't it? All the teachers? Don't we have to thank all our students for whatever we are? So I thank every one of you. And sir has already shared with you so much. The best thing which he has shared with you is that whatever good deeds we do, we must dedicate all the good deeds to our first love. First love, okay? Please keep this thing in mind. Follow your passion. 10 years ago, 10 years ahead, which you are thinking yourself to be, you must follow your passion and you see yourself growing. You will love to grow with your passion and you will never feel tired. Today, I am here. I don't know how many years in this profession I have passed, but still I feel that I am young as you all are. Efforts, extra effort, sir has mentioned about it. Extra effort, do you all remember? So I will just share a small couplet by Harivansh Rai Dattoo. How many of you remember that and how many of you know? मेहनत करने वालों की हार नहीं होती. छोटी चीटी आगे. छोटी चीटी जब दाना लेकर चलती है, छोटी चीटी जब दाना लेकर चलती है, चढ़ती दीवारों पर 100 बार फिसलती है. चढ़ती दीवार पर 100 बार फिसलती है. मन का विश्वास, आगे. मन का विश्वास रगों में साहस भरता है. मन का विश्वास, रगों में साहस बढ़ता है। चढ़कर गिरना, गिरकर चढ़ना नहीं अखरता है। आखिर मेहनत करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं, आखिर मेहनत करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं। Thank you all very much. Again, I thank you. I'm telling you, I salute you all for whatever you are here in these 14 years of your experience. We have also experienced a lot from you all. Thank you all.
Thank you very much.
And ma'am, along with a token of love for Principal Ma'am from class 12C. And now request for the Principal Ma'am to attend the Principal Ma'am. Give away Yadev Kar.
Let me congratulate all the students of class 12. Class 12 children, I need your attention please. Your attention is very much required. Please. First of all, let me congratulate all the students of class 12 for this wonderful program. And I congratulate all the teachers in class and also the organizers. And I wish you good luck for your board examination. Be on the righteous path. As our Naveen sir said, you must see the difference between right and wrong. And also realize your responsibilities. Make your dreams come true. Of course, there are many difficulties, hurdles, and disappointments on your way. But don't get discouraged and don't give up. I still remember our headmaster's words. He used to say, it always happens. The last key in the bunch that opens the lock, that opens the center of your talents and capabilities, and you will find your way. So, don't get discouraged and disappointed. And make the best effort and you will achieve your goal. And in the end, I want to thank you very much for making me Badnaam with the recognizing word done. Thank you very much. It's so much love and appreciation.
Good afternoon, students.
Good afternoon.
Time never stops. It never flows. The future rushes towards us to become the present. And moment by moment, it merges with the entire past. With eyes fixed on the goal to strive on its present and becoming the architect of the future is creative living. Let your journey be a creative one, and this will provide you with the maximum satisfaction. Surrender to God all your regrets and fears and walk with blind honesty for truth, in truth, with truth. Work hard and make yourself and other people around you proud. With all my heart and prayers, I wish you good luck for your exams and for many achievements to come for in future. Wish you good luck and all the happiness for your life. Good luck, all the best. Thank you very much.
Thank you, ma'am.
Good afternoon, everybody. Now, a message for all of you. Believe in yourself and all that you are. Knowing that there is something inside you that is greater than any obstacle of life. Keeping your eyes on the stars and your feet on the ground. Move on, move on, move on. Thank you. So, Mr. B.M. Swami, to please come near the stage to give a round to the best dancer, dance the hidden language of the soul, a way of life rather than just a hobby, and the award goes to none other than Pena Sharma PLC. big round of applause for Prerna. Our next category is acting. Acting, the dedication towards expression, a reason to cry and be someone other than yourself. To get immersed in different roles and understand the sequence of life. And the award goes to Sagar of class 12B and Vivan of class 12B. Welcome, Sagar. Thank you, sir. Now I would like to invite our respected Managing Director, Mr. Naveen Goswami, to please come near the stage and honor the awardees. And the next category is instrumentalist. And instrument, the expression of something which can't be said, and the voice of feelings. And the award goes to Varun of class 12C, Abhay of class 12B, Mosh and Ankit Gupta of class 12B. Congratulations, students. Our next category is painting. Painting, the silent poetry and the music aside, self-discovery and expression of desires. And the award goes to Neha Goyal of class 12A, Sukhdeep of class 12B, and Karan Vashesh of class 12C. Give a big round of applause for these students. Thank you, sir. Now I would like to invite our respected principal, ma'am, Mrs. Renu Jain, to please come near the stage and give award to our achievers. And the next category is vocalist, that is mesmerizing everybody with their voice, giving words and the music to the dreams, and the honest expression of the feelings. And the award goes to the nightingale of the school, that is Acharya. Our next category is sports personality. Sports, the creativity to grow continuously, the spirit to never quit and go on.